Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, this is a new method, so just pay attention and follow all the steps. Now search for Secure VPN. Now once you search for Secure VPN, if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version over here. Now once you have updated to this particular VPN, you can see 100 million plus download. Just go back and then open this Secure VPN. Now once you open this Secure VPN over here, you can see finding best server, so you can see connecting. Just wait for it to be connected. Now click on connect and then you can see connected over here. Now once you are connected to this particular VPN, just go back, open your Play Store and then update your Telegram. So update your Telegram over here. So search for your Telegram. If your Telegram is not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your Telegram application. So just search for your Telegram and make sure your Telegram application is updated over here. Now once you have updated your Telegram application, all you need to do is to just open your Telegram. So open your Telegram and you can see it is demanding for your country and your contact. In this case, we don't want to use our personal contact, so just go back and open this particular application. You can see temp SMS. There are a lot of them, but make sure you update and then download this one. Now you can see temporary number for online verification or online verify. Now click on the country that you prefer. You can see a lot of countries over here. You can see US phone number. In my case, I'll go for US. You can see Russia. I'll go for US. Now you can see all the numbers over here. Now select the one that you prefer. In my case, I'll go for the first one. Now click on copy over here. You can see copy. So click on copy. So click on copy. So copy over here. So click on copy. And once you click on copy, just go back to your Telegram and then immediately you enter the number here. You can see USA. Now once you are done with this, click on next and you can see, is this the correct number? So click on yes, and once you click on yes, just wait for a while. Now go back to this application and click on update latest SMS and wait for a while. Now you can see the verification code over here. Now use this verification code to create your unlimited Telegram account. So with this, you can create unlimited Telegram account without using your personal contact. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching and also subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video